Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of popular services. Today, we're diving into the world of HelloFresh, one of the most popular meal delivery services out there. But is it as tasty and easy as it looks in the ads? Let's find out in this first-hand review of HelloFresh. HelloFresh has taken the meal kit scene by storm with its spunky branding and approachable prices. With up to 60 menu options per week, it offers a wide variety of recipes, making it a hit with families and picky eaters alike. But popularity doesn't always equal quality, so let's see if HelloFresh lives up to the hype. Before we go any further, if you decide to give HelloFresh a try, they have one of the best meal kit deals for new customers, offering 16 free meals across your first 4 deliveries. HelloFresh bills itself as the most convenient and affordable service. With plans starting at just $8 per serving, it's one of the cheapest options available. Plus, they have a wide selection of crowd-pleasing recipes, making it great for families and picky eaters. Cooking with HelloFresh is a breeze. All the fresh ingredients you need come pre-portioned and ready to cook. While you'll need to do some light prep, chopping, and cooking, the recipes are generally simple and take around 30 minutes or less. HelloFresh offers a whopping 60 meals per week to choose from, including plant-based and premium seafood options. Their recipes are easy to follow and mostly familiar dishes, perfect for those who prefer crowd pleasers. The HelloFresh app is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to easily manage your weekly orders and find nutritional information and recipes. So, how did the meals taste? Well, most of them were solid and satisfying. While some lacked imagination, there were no duds in the bunch. HelloFresh excels in being family-friendly, making it a great option for those with small children or picky eaters. Packaging is eco-friendly compared to other meal kit services, with recyclable ice packs and cooler bags. In conclusion, HelloFresh is a convenient and affordable option for families and those looking for easy-to-make recipes. While it may not offer the most gourmet or technically challenging meals, it's a reliable choice for delicious and hassle-free dinners. That wraps up our review of HelloFresh. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of popular services. Thanks for watching, and remember, with HelloFresh, you can take the guesswork out of meal planning without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy cooking!